Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show turn on this one setting to make your iPhone 5G fully compatible. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap Cellular. Next, tap Cellular Data Options or Mobile Data Options. Now, select Voice and Data. Here you'll see different network options available for your device. If LTE is currently selected, your iPhone will only use 4G networks even if 5G coverage is available in your area. To enable 5G, tap 5G Auto. This setting allows your iPhone to intelligently switch between LTE and 5G to provide a balance between performance and battery life. Tap the back arrow. Select Data Mode. Tap Allow More Data on 5G. Result: your iPhone will use 5G for faster internet speeds when available. You can stream videos, browse websites, and use apps with improved performance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.